Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
शहरीकरणाक लागून लोकसंख्येचो दबाव वाडटलो, वाहतूक, कोयर, व्यवस्थापन आणि पर्यावरणाचे प्रस्न चड जातले. नैसर्गिक सोबीतकाय आणि गांवपण धोक्यात येतले अशी चिंता लोकांनी ग्रामसभेत व्यक्त केली.
Moira was called specially on account of the proposal of the government to notify Moira village as an urban village, technically using the words to revisit the notification which was issued earlier in 2020. In 2020, there was a big uproar when the government notified Moira village amongst another 55 villages. A total of 56 villages had been notified. And due to the uproar, including the objections which I had raised at that time, the government withdrew that notification and revoked it in February 2020. Honestly, the Gram Sabha resolved consciously to oppose the urbanization notification and record the decision with the reasons in the Gram Sabha and submit it to the government.
आणि ग्राम सभा घेतली की सगळ्या गांवच्या लोकांक ती खबर आसली की बाबा हांगा जे अर्बन करूंक सोदतात आनी तेंचें कितें म्हणणें आसा तें आमकां कळपाक जाय आसलें म्हणून आमी मिटींग ग्राम सभा घेतली आनी ग्राम सभेक युनिवर्सिटी सगळ्यांनी ओपोज केला की आमकां आमचे विलेजीस जाय, आमकां अर्बन करपाची गरज जाय.
फुडें स्टेप कितें करतले तुमी?
आतां फुडें आमी आमचे जे आमकां कॉमेंट मागल्या ते आमी पंचायत तांकां तेंच्या डिपार्टमेंटाक धाडटले डिपार्टमेंटाक.
Powerful of Gram Sabha is, if you pass something unanimously, now Gram Sabha, it has legal status, legal standing, legal binding. So we suggest, besides our Gram Sabha resolution, to say, come here and explain, we pass a unanimous Gram Sabha resolution, completely rejecting this, saying Moira is a village. We as the people of Moira through our Gram Sabha want to clearly say to you that it will always be a village. We do not want to stay.
प्रुडंटा खातीर श्याम फडते.